1, 2, 3, UinDuckie and me. A, B, C, fun and learning all the way to Z. 4, 5, 6, shapes and colors. Come along and imagine with me. 7, 8, 9, 10, we're gonna do it again. UinDuckie and Friends, yay! Vocabulary word of the day. Today's vocabulary word of the day is alphabet. Can you say alphabet? Great! Now, let's spell the word alphabet. Ready? A, L, P, H, A, B, E, T. Way to go! You're so smart! Now let's use the word alphabet in a sentence. The letters A, B, and C are all part of the alphabet. Way to go! You did it! And that's the vocabulary word of the day. Join us tomorrow for another vocabulary word. Bye!
This has been a Ringing Bell production. Please subscribe for more videos. Thanks everybody. Okay, bye. See you later.